Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bolaji James, and in this tutorial quickly I'm going to be showing you how to add custom domain to your Systeme.io account, especially if you have a custom domain that you bought from Truehost. I see a lot of videos that have done something like this, but using Namecheap. So I'm trying to create this especially for those of us in Africa or those of us using Truehost. Alright, so I'll just register a new account here on Systeme.io quickly for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm going to drop my email in this place here. Click here, and that should do the registration. Okay, so once this is done, whatever is showing here is just an advert for you to buy the premium package, but we don't need that for this tutorial. So I'm just going to check my email. So it says confirm your email address. I'm going to click here to confirm, so I can close this now. Alright, so once I click on this, it should take me to the dashboard. So I'm going to fill in some name here, so I can say James. So I can say the last name is alright, so here I can have get a password. Anything at all can do. So I'm going to confirm this. Okay, so click the I'm not a robot, and okay, alright, then we save. Okay. Alright, so this will take us to the dashboard, and I can save this. Alright, so once I have this, now for us to be able to add a custom domain, it means that you want to use a funnel. So for you to use a funnel, definitely, so if you go to your website here and click on sales funnel, so I'm just going to create a sample sales funnel basically. So I'm going to click on create. Now if you look at this place, I'm going to give our funnel a name. Let's say let me say listing or list. Alright, so then maybe we want to use it to build an audience. Then you can see, say funnel domain, you can see what is having here. So now it's for us to add a custom domain. That is what we are talking about now. So here I'm going to choose my currency. Right, so let me look through. This is US dollar. Okay. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to click on save. Alright, so now this funnel is created. Now if you click on this place and you click on settings, so you can see it says funnel domain. Now to be able to change this domain, we need to add a custom domain, which is the reason for this video. So you want to click on this icon, this small arrow near to your image, your account icon, and click on settings. Then on this side, at the left hand side, you now scroll down and you can see where it says custom domains. So you can click on custom domains, and then you'll be able to add a new domain. So look at this place. This is the subdomain given to you, which is ready to use. So you click on add domain, and then I'm going to be using a domain that I just got. Okay, so it's here. I'm going to use this domain for this practice. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to paste the domain here, and I'll say save. So once you save this, you're going to be given two CNAME records, which you need to add to your domain, your DNS record, wherever the domain is hosted. So the first one here, you're not going to use this one here because this domain is already added. So let me go to this place and manage my DNS record. Manage my DNS record, so that I will show you. Alright, so if you click on add record here, now the type of record is CNAME, and here, so since it's CNAME, I'm just going to click, so you're going to put, you can put www here. Okay, so now what you have here is where you are going to paste your record. So I'm going to paste your record here, target domain, and so let's add this here. So you can see what we have on this side here. Copy this and then paste in this place where we have target domain, and just leave www here and say add. Alright, so it's added. Then you come back here. This one here, you're going to copy from this dash at the beginning, or you can start from here where you have dot, the name of the domain. Sorry, didn't get it well. Okay, so this area you will not put the domain itself. So you are going to copy this, and you are going to come back here and say add another record. Of course, it's also a CNAME record. So you're going to copy that here and paste here. Then on the other side, you copy everything that you have there. Alright, so you copy everything that you have here, and you're going to paste in this place. Alright, and you click on add. Alright, so it's added successfully. So with this now, within a few hours, depending on the network, or maybe the process, and depending on where you are pointing to and where you got your domain, it might take between 2, 3, and sometimes 24 hours. There's what something we call propagation. So you are changing your domain to point to a new server. So it may take up to like 4 or 5 hours. So once you come back here after some hours, you can see it says pending validation. After some hours, this should show you that it's ready to use, and then you can now go back to your website, click on your sales funnel. So click on your sales funnel and come here to come to settings. Then that domain will be available here for you to change, and with that, this sales funnel will now appear. This sales funnel basically is like a form that you are creating, that people submit their details, so it will appear on that custom domain. I hope this has been helpful to you. I get a lot of questions, basically people asking me about this. That is why I have to do this video. So I hope this sorts some people's issues. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and you can drop any comment if you have any issues. I'll be here to answer your questions. I'll see you in other videos.